Hello and welcome to Study Hall, where we examine the latest studies concerning university students so you don't have to. This week's study is brought to you by a group of scientists at Ben-Gurion University in Israel, who looked at the study habits of 185 students in a computer class. They looked at time spent outside of class on group assignments, projects, and labs, and this is what they found. Number one, students who were friends in the class ended up with similar grades, and two, students who were weak paired with weak students, and strong students paired with strong students. But what is missing in the study? What if you don't have any friends in your classes? Does that affect your final grade? What if you just don't have any friends? So do you have any friends in any of your classes?
Yes, most of them.
You don't have any friends.
No, yeah, I do. Yes, very much so actually. We're on the same program in all of my classes, so we help each other out, and we usually get the same marks, more or less.
Yeah, I'd say so, especially because my roommate is in the same program as me, so we do a lot of things together and discuss a lot of our projects. So I think we get bounce ideas off each other a lot.
Do you have any friends in your classes?
Yeah.
All my classes.
Pretty much all my classes, yeah.
And would you say that your grades are similar to theirs?
Yeah.
And why do you think that is?
Well, we do work together a lot on our assignments. We help each other out with research and everything, and we get each other to proofread.
Especially by third year, every class you go in, it's oh hey, I know you because we've had class before. So you sit down and talk to them a lot more.
Do you guys have any friends in any of your classes?
Yeah.
And would you say that your grades are similar?
Not really.
No, I don't share notes that often with my friends. That's why we usually just take our own notes, and if we need help, we just ask each other. Basically, that's it.
Yeah, I'm more of a take my own kind of notes and not really share, because I find that I learn better like that.
Would you say that you have similar grades?
I think fairly similar. For me, it was more with my friends first and second year, and then they're in biochem and I'm in neuroscience, so now we're separate. But we were pretty similar for a while there, especially to you'll be lab partners with your friends, so then you get the same lab marks.
I have a lot of friends from high school in all my classes, so I just pair up with them.
Do you think that you have similar grades?
To the people?
Friends? Yeah.
Yeah, on average.
Yeah,
I'd say. Yeah.
usually. Because usually study together and you know the same points going into an exam.
Well, I do a lot of group work in my classes too, so same sort of thing. We work together and we learn from each other, and then I did a group project, and one of my good friends who's in my program was in it too, and we ended up getting the exact same marks. We worked together, and we did really well. And the other two, not so much. I don't know if that was because we were friends, or we kind of egg each other on to do better, to work well and do better. Yeah.
So if birds of a feather flock together, you might want to keep that in mind the next time you choose your study buddy. This has been Jenny Kleininger for The Charlatan.